Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam Icy Christmas centerpiece. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some of this iridescent white glitter. You're going to need some icy gems. You're going to need Arrowhead Pendants. And you're also going to need some of this crystal acrylic room divider, and this is something that you can use to make chandeliers with as well. I got these items at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, party supplies, event lighting, decor, and so much more. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy Casita, all one word, just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourself 15% on orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree is you're going to need one of these glass votive holders. You're going to need one of these fishbowl shaped candle holders. You're going to need some of the white snowflakes from Dollar Tree. I've got some mini silver ornaments from Dollar Tree. You're going to need 2 of these candle holder plates. I've got some Mod Podge. I have a paintbrush. And then I have 3 different candles here from Dollar Tree. Not sure which direction we're going to be going in, so I have all 3. And then from Walmart, I have some pillow stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. For my project, I'm going to be using hot glue. However, if you want to make this a permanent piece, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make the project permanent. These are the items that we need in order to get the centerpiece completed, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Christmas centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And it was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.